Hello wonderful people, how you all doing? Welcome to the channel. Thanks for always stopping by. I'm so grateful. We are at 500. I mean, it's massive. Thanks for the love, the support. So, I know I have been on and off, kind of, but when I get better, I will be giving you guys back to back. Okay, so today's tutorial is about a smoking ruffle sleeve. If this is what you like to watch, please continue now with me to the end of the video. Thank you and stay blessed. Hi guys, so let's dive into the sleeve tutorial. Now, unfold is my first sleeve. Now, to fold your sleeve, you just do your armhole measurement, your armhole circumference divided by 2 plus 10 to 12 inches, depending on how big you want it. That's for the fold. Now for the length, all of this now is 18 inches. Now from this point, 1.5 for the elastic casing. I'm taking 1.5 for the elastic casing. Then from this point is 4 inches. That's my cap's height, 4 inches. So to get your cap's height is bust divided by 12 plus 1. Okay, that's for your cap's height. Then just come down here, take about 1.5 for the elastic casing at the down part. All right, so let's just draw the lines. All right, my shoulder elastic casing, sleeve, the down part, the elastic casing. So now what we'll be doing next is this. I'm just going to create all the elastic casing on the upper side part and on the lower side. All right, so let's do that and I'll show you the next thing. So guys, here we are. So after joining the after sewing the 1.5 down here and up here, you know we have 18 inches by length before, so it's now 15 inches. So I joined 1.5 here and 1.5. That's for our casing, up and down. Now what we are doing next is this. I'm using this ruler because it's equivalent to 2 inches. Yes, so I'm not going to go this way. I'll be ruling 2 inches from here. 2 inches. 2 inches. Okay, next line again, 2 inches. This one is super easy. You need to start measuring using a tape rule. Okay, then you go 2 inches again. So you're just going to do that till you get to the down part. So this is what it's looking like here. Okay, so we are just doing, you're just working with all of these boxes. This one, leave this box alone. Okay, we're doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 lines and boxes are the only one we are working with. Leave this part alone. Now the next thing to do is for us to rule lines across it. Now depending on how tiny or how close together you want your smoke pattern to look, but in my case I'm just going to be doing 2 inch apart. Okay, 2 inch apart. So this is what the boxes are looking like. All right, this is it. This is just the side. We don't need to rule this point. Okay, now what we are doing next now is this. We are making strokes into the boxes where we'll be stitching. All right, and you just simply do this, a slant stroke. Yes, next box, you omit this, jump this rather. All right, then you create another stroke, jump this stroke, you do this, jump this, and do this. All right, so after this first box has been uh, done this way, you jump this second box, all of these second boxes, this second box, you jump and move to this point, and then so you won't be doing on this first box here, you do on this second box. All right, all right, it's quite easy, just follow the steps, guys, very easy. All right, now we'll do again this way, you jump this and we are going to do this space. All right, all right, so that makes it 1, 2, 3 boxes. So you see this point, this down part, after we put our elastic, it will gather itself and look beautiful. And this part too, it will gather itself and look beautiful. So that's the essence of leaving this space and this space. Now what we want to do now is just to unstitch. You're going to unstitch. To do that, you take your stitch from here to this point. I'll show us how to do it. So guys, I have threaded my needle. Now the next thing rather is to do this. From this point, then take it to this point. We're about to get a wow looking sleeve soon. So guys, if you have watched to this point and you are yet to subscribe to this channel, What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get notified each time I upload new videos. So you're just going to secure it with a knot. Secure it with a knot like twice or 3 times. Then you cut. You go cut. You go cut the thread. Cut the thread. Okay. We are doing that again. I want to do it again for you to get to understand, to have a clear understanding of how to do this. You go this way, all right, then you go this way, okay. Not again to have a firm looking stitches, all right. Then cut again. So we are just going to do this to the rest of the strokes. From this point to this point, stitch. From this point to this point, stitch. From this point to this point, stitch to the rest of the strokes, all of the strokes. And I will see you at the end of stitching all the strokes. So have a look at what it's going to look like after putting an elastic and what it looks like after stitching all the strokes. Yeah, guys, this is what it is looking like after I have stitched each slanted lines. Can you see this? This is the front and this is the back after doing all of it. So I'll show us what it's looking like after I put the elastic casing at the down part and at the upper part. Okay, so guys, this is what the sleeve is looking like after I have fixed my elastic at the upper side and at the lower side. So hit me up, guys. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please guys subscribe, turn on the notification bell and get notified every time I upload new videos. So I'll show us what it's looking like on the dress.